What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. It is windy as hell, as you can see. We are at the Santa Clarita clearance store. Let's go see what they got. All right, we didn't get a video yesterday. My apologies. I ended up getting home way late from work. But yeah, we do gotta check this place out, see what they got. It is always trippy when you can see the moon during the day. But yeah, all right, let's go see what they got. Some of you guys been asking me what the difference between this store and the regular factory stores are. This is the clearance store. This is where like things always end up at the very end. They have special shipments here that don't go to the regular outlets. They come directly here. All right, let's look around. Of course, we got a no heat wall today, no heat wall. So the pricing scheme is significantly different here. They don't have any sales on the sneaker section, but nothing is priced over $100, but they don't take returns either. All sales are final as well because it is a clearance store. So some differences. If you can find some Jordan stuff, man, that's what's up. Look at this, starting off with some Super Bowl merch. Not the on-field gear, kind of like a windbreaker material. Okay, got Rams gear right here. I don't know what the normal price is. Oh, normally $125 and it's $40. Got double XLs right here. Got large right here. XL. All right, got a few sizes, or a couple sizes. We got double XLs and stuff as well. All right, we are starting to see blank sections. Does that mean there's a ton of resales here? Or does that just mean they're getting less and less stuff? I don't know. One of the homies found some one of the Tiger Woods golf cleats last time. That was pretty dope. I don't know what the hell this is. Victory. Got some Zoom Victories. Okay, it's for women, going for $80. Okay. Oh, of course, we are starting the size 10 Infinity Run Flyknits, go for $80. Invincible Run Reacts. Invincible Run Flyknits, going for $80. Venture Runner, the old school joints right there, going for $35. That's what's up. Oh, that's the size 11 though. Those nursing shoes that we've seen everywhere, $60. We've seen those at the regular outlets for cheaper. $60 for this colorway. $60 for that one too. Waffle One Craters going for $50. That's actually a solid price. Zoom Rival waffles. Then these are sprinting flats, running flats, racing flats. $20 freaking. That's crazy. Can't believe how cheap they are. Wow. These are too big for my nephews. Way too big. Dang it. Maybe if they had like a 10, 9.5 maybe. Dang it. Dude, got series mids going for $50. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those for. Dang, someone really crop dusted right here. Took a fart and then left. That's jacked up. $50 for the Super Rep 2s. We're in the size 10.5. So dude got all the campers here, I just realized. Moving up to the 11s. These are actually the 11.5s. Waffle Ones. I've never seen this colorway before. Flowers and stuff on it. Okay. All right, we're at the 11s now. The Zoom type craters going for $70. Phantom Run React Flyknits going for $70. That's actually really good. Pegasus 38s going for $60. Okay. Dude got Monarchs. I'll show you all the Monarchs. $40. Got Blazers. The Blazer Quartz. This is size 9.5 though. It is canvas. $35 though. $35 freaking dollars. That's what's up. That's what's up. Look at that. Wow. Bigger sizes. Then it's supposed to be size 12, 16, size 13.5 go for $60. Trainers going for $50. Vomero 16s go for $70. Metcons go for $60. That's a great price. Almost all Air Forces, not really. Eberons. Checking the way smaller sizes. Well, not way, but 9.5s go for $50. Got more series mids right here. ISPAs, the Gator thingies, are going for $40. Got some Hirachis going for $60. Air Max Genomes going for $80. Pegasus one side blue, one side red going for $60. Those are Pegasus 37s. SBJ Freeze going for $40. I think we're in the size 9s now. Oh, this is 7.5. I don't know what the hell this is here. Waffle Ones. We're really not seeing much. Campers probably getting most of the stuff. They've been here for hours. You can see their stash right there. It's not even that big. Not even that big. But yeah, they just posted up right there. Not really see much. I've actually been looking for football gloves for one of my a kid that I know, one of my boys who's in high school. It says football, but I think they mean soccer, right? I mean soccer, but I don't know. Do they have? I don't know. They don't really have soccer stuff with that rubbery stuff on it. That's kind of interesting. But they should be, for football, it should be on the fingertips. It's not on the fingertips, so. Oh, that's weird. I've never seen that before. Oh, what's up, dog? What's going on? What's going on, brother? What's going on, you guys? What's going on? Dude, got baseball stuff here as well. Haven't seen this much. Baseball gloves? Never seen that. In terms of backpacks, they ain't got nothing. They don't even have backpacks. So what the hell are these? Are tote bags or something? The hell? One size going for 20 bucks. Got a gray one with gold trimmings on it. Yeah, nothing much. Just Goon Squad backpacks. These are going for what? 20 bucks a piece. Okay. All right, talking to some of the homies, they do got some stuff. What is that? Is that a Golf 5?
That's a Golf 5.
That's a Golf 5, huh? Yeah. Oh, they're all puny, huh? So they do have a few things. All right, let's go look around, but I don't think they're gonna be interested because they're all super small. All right, I'll come up and at least get some info or look around right here. Nothing too crazy. People haven't been too into these double swoosh dunks or whatever. They got these right here. This is a women's size. I don't know what size it is. Size 9.5. I don't know if it's a men's or women's size. So probably a women's size right here. Dude got these. This is a really small women's size right here. But if you find stuff like this, remember it's under 100 bucks. You're not gonna find that too many spots. This might be the steal of the day right here, dude. This is crazy. Jordan Golf under 100 bucks. This is super small though. It is. Like, what do kids golf? The hell? I guess they do. 4.5. 4.5 men's size. I think they don't make these in grade school. This is just men's size. And you get some lemonading effect. Sat in the sun or something. Okay. And then got these slides. I don't know how much these are going for. But we're not gonna ask questions. We're good. But at least we did see some heat items. Not a heat cart, but at least some items. Got lucky last time. All right, let's look at some of the apparel since it didn't really work out there. So let's look at some of the apparel. 25 bucks for these. These have been 25 for a while. Or normally 65. This is a Nike SB sweatshirt, man. That's dope. Bunch of larges here. Saw these a while back. More hoodies. $25 for these. These are larges as well. Got some small stuff right here. Kind of for Alabama, but not really. There's no $30 for those. And then this is for what's the other team? Texas A&M or something? But yeah, $30 for this one. Is this a Kenya? Yeah, this is a Kenya. What is this? One of those rain thingies. Ponchos. One of the ponchos. $25 for these. Normally $70. That is a small for Kenya. Okay. All right. This is the section that's the toughest because we're right in the sun. Do got a bunch of small USA jerseys. The blue as well as the white. These are actually mediums. Okay. So, there's a medium tag. So, do got both of those. Also got Leonard jerseys. Go for $40. These are the swingman. Okay. Vince Carter Ray Gun jerseys. These are large. Going for $110. Or $110 down to 40. Got the USA jerseys as well. Now, what the hell is this? Is this a bro? A bro? I think these are bros. Not for women, but bros for guys, I guess. 15 bucks. Like, I don't know, that goes around your chest, right? That's like a bra, but for dudes, right? I think that's what it is. Okay, never seen that before. All right, size. Oh, these are all small, right? These. Okay, dude got large ones. Okay. Dang, just not seen much, man. I haven't had too many empty visits like that here. Like, usually I'll find apparel or something, but nothing. I was talking to the homies from What Sneakers. They haven't found anything either. We're just talking about competing with the campers, and it's not easy sometimes, or it's not available at all, it's just not. You're just not gonna find some heat sometimes. It is what it is. But yeah, they're heading out. I think I'm gonna head out too. Let's go home and talk about it. Let's go home and talk about it. These fools are heading out. I'm heading out. We're done. All right, guys, that was the clearance store, and yes, I am wearing glasses, and it is pretty douchey, but I just thought it'd be kind of fun. But yeah, it is what it is. There really wasn't much. I even saw some of the heat items, and they just weren't that great. It is what it is. Nike outlets, definitely a hit or miss. I did want to talk about the difference between this and a regular Nike factory store. Nike factory stores, usually they get stuff in full-size runs, and then, you know, they also get returns and stuff like that. You know, the returns usually go to the clearance wall on the back. After they sell out in certain sizes and they don't have a full-size run, they'll throw all of that stuff to the back wall as well, throw that 30% off. That's usually how the clearance, that's usually how the Nike outlets work, or the regular Nike factory stores. This is a clearance store, so they get one-ofs. They get a ton of one-ofs of all kinds of stuff from various places. They also get returns as well. You can't return stuff that you bought from the clearance store, but you can return stuff that you got on the Nike app, that you got at other Nike outlets. You can still return stuff there. So they'll get that stuff. They'll throw it on the clearance wall or the heat section. They'll throw it wherever. But yeah, they have rules there. They don't really have a discount anymore. They haven't had one in a couple of years. You're also not gonna find anything over $100. That's pretty dope. So if you find a premium item, and more up tempos, you find some Jordans, gonna be under $100. It's gonna be pretty dope. You find some Vaporfly Next Percents or something like that, gonna be under $100. So that is definitely dope. So there are deals to be had, but it's just kind of a different system than the typical Nike outlet. You're not gonna get a full box. That's the only bad thing about it. Stuff from the clearance section, not cool in my sneaker shelf, because they're difficult to stack and stuff like that. So it is what it is. But yeah, definitely gotta go there once in a while, because they do have really good deals. So you still have to check. I'm gonna try to get some other videos coming out within the next week or two. I got tons and tons of trades coming up. I kind of want to give you guys updated information about those. I got some fire that I should have within my hands within the next few days. Union raffle, I ended up hitting 2 of the dunks, trying to get a 3rd one, so I'm working on that on Instagram. And then the Jordan 2s, the Jordan 2 Union dunks, the winners have not been contacted yet. So if you guys haven't gotten a dub yet, you should be good. I think it's going to be later this week. I think Thursday is when the release date, or the official release date is. So yeah, wait till then. But yeah, y'all should still have a chance if you guys got a ticket. Good luck to those of you that did get tickets. I have a feeling that the winners are going to be called this weekend. I'm sorry, invoices for the winners will go out via email, I think, this weekend. But we'll see what happens, you know. Hopefully I can grab a couple of those, or a few of those. We'll see. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help away. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, go press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you guys support the channel, dude. It is what it is. That's the primary thing. Half of you guys that watch aren't subscribed, but whatever. As long as you guys are watching, that's all I care about. And yeah, thanks so much for supporting the channel, guys. Got plenty of content coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Dang, I really wore glasses stuff the entire time, huh? All right, see you guys next one.